Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavanscha. All rascals. And they're wasting public money and making other fools. They're going to the Chandralok and this lok, Melas, simply wasting time. This remark I gave in the newspaper. Sometimes in San Francisco.
They asked about the moon.
It is simply waste of time and energy, that's all. And in 1968 I wrote that Easy Journey, and this is all childish.
Sputniks.
Yeah. Have you read that?
Yes. It's very nice.
So we can boldly say, on the strength of Vedic literature, all these attempts are childish, and those who are attempting, they are all fools and rascals. That's all. Now they are silent about moon expedition. They're trying to go to Venus. What happened to moon planet?
Right.
Another diversion.
Just wasting money and time.
Another diversion attention.
Yeah.
So that they can exploit public money in that way.
Yeah.
And the public is also fooled that they believe all this nonsense.
In the United States, Prabhupada, the rocks that they brought back from the moon are being displayed. In all the different cities, they have little small pieces of the rocks in the moon. And people stand in long lines
Just see
to come and see these little pieces
how much
of rocks.
rascal you are.
And they have guards all around the little rocks.
Gods?
With guns, with guards, with guns
So
around the
nobody
rocks, so
will
no one will
steal
steal.
That is their deity they are worshipping.
They don't pray.
They have guards.
God who has made all of this, but God the without
Now, that one, I would say, rogue, thief came to a bank manager somewhere in Western country, and he brought some lotions. So he said that I shall mix up this lotion, immediately the whole bank will be blown up. So he became afraid, because the scientists do that. So someone give me check immediately, 200 million something. Otherwise I'll mix it. So he gave him the check, and he told that it is time bomb. If you call police or arrest me within this time, then it will burn up. So in this way he took away the check, and after sometimes he phoned to the police, this is the situation, come and help us. Here is a time bomb on my table. The police came, they also took it very carefully. The chemical laboratory and the chemical lab, they are also afraid. Then they saw it is glycerin. That's such fools are there. You see. It is simply exploiting the innocent public of their money, hard-earned money. And if you go to such foundations and give us some money for spreading Krishna consciousness, printing this book, no, we are not interested in religion. We are for scientific improvement, glycerin.
Rational. They think they're very rational.
Yes. Rational, a dog is also rational. But a dog is dog, a man is man.